Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to delete labels in Gmail. So it's a really quick and simple tutorial. So all you need to do is open up your Gmail account. And if you have any labels, they will be on the left-hand side here. So you can see I've got my proofread label here and some of my emails are labeled with that. So if I wanted to delete that label, all I need to do is hover over the label, then go to the three dots. I'm going to click on the three dots, and then you have different options here. When you scroll to the bottom, the second from the bottom is remove label. So you're going to click on there and then click on delete. So that will remove the proofread label from all those conversations. So you can see the label has disappeared now. So that's how to delete Gmail labels. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.